This na Menonet technology hybrid 3-in-1 carburetor where you fit to convert your generator to dey use cooking gas, CNG at the same time fuel. So this one now we just go install am for one of our clients for Mobi filling station when e come patronize us. So na the installation na we dey do, so na the process na be this wey we take dey do the installation. We don already remove the on carburetor for the generator, so now we wan fix our own put, that is the hybrid 3-in-1 carburetor. If you look am from the beginning, see am dey crest our company name put to tell you say na original, our own. Dey make am carefully and na top quality na our product be. Make you no forget to patronize us o. Our number dey for screen, just use our number. You fit still follow us for our Facebook when e be Osaze Izewa Ero, or you fit still follow us for our Facebook page when e be Menonet Technology. Our YouTube channel na Menonet TV. So na the process na be this. But this installation today, we can't do something when it different. Wetin be the difference when it dey? We try to use one cylinder to serve two generator. So for this Mobi filling station, na two generator na we convert. Na im dey use for the filling station. So our client tell us say he no get money to buy two cylinder, but he wan like use one cylinder to serve the two generator. Now we tell am say no wahala, nothing wey we no fit do. So we go market, go buy the things wey we go take do am. So na the installation na be this, the process wey we take dey do the conversion, so that the cylinder, one cylinder now go fit serve the two generator. So look am again very well. When we finish for Mobi filling station, they come still refer us again to corn oil filling station for down Iriri. So na there now we still come now, come still do the same conversion wey we do for Mobi filling station for corn oil. Check una see am, na the process na be this. Na the installation for corn oil na be this one. So na two generator now we still convert for them. And here they wan still use one cylinder for two generator too. So look am well, na our product na be this. They do am carefully and na top quality. If you buy our product, you no go regret am at all, because na good quality na we dey sell. We no dey sell fake. If you buy from us, if you get any issue, we no dey talk, we no dey complain, we go change am for you. Not to talk of say since we dey sell am, we don sell many, we never return. Customer never complain say na so e get issue. So we no get wahala for our product, we trust am well well. So na the installation na still dey go on. So after we finish with this first generator for corn oil, after we don through for Mobi, na the Mobi own video na just pass just now. We don install for many clients, but we no go fit just dey show all the video wey we take install for all the clients. So na just few na we just need to show for here. So na the installation, as I talk am just now, we don put our own carburetor now, the 3-in-1 hybrid carburetor. You fit ask say why we call am 3-in-1 hybrid carburetor. This our carburetor, you fit use cooking gas, you fit use CNG gas, that is the gas wey be say motor dey use, and e go fit still use fuel. That is why we call am 3-in-1. So if you look am now, we see dey convert this one now, na one cylinder na this generator na wan still serve two generator for this corn oil filling station. To tell you say e dey very economical. Now wey be say even filling station when e dey sell fuel, they convert to gas. I will tell you how cheap it be. I go fit tell you say e dey very economical. Me, I dey use am too. More than 65% economical than fuel. So make you no get fear. Wey some people go dey talk say na so this, na so that, na so e go spoil generator. Lie, e no dey happen. Me, I dey use am. I don dey use am for months now. My generator no get any issue. The way you go even take dey change your oil, e go even reduce. Before, when I dey use fuel, I dey spend like 90 to 100,000 for fuel every month for my own office. But since when I dey use fuel, I use gas, I dey spend less than 34,000 naira, even when gas go up now. You see am now, this generator now, we just start am. The generator don dey work. Na the second one now we dey convert. So the second generator now we dey do now. So we don still remove the carburetor. See am, we don fix our own hybrid carburetor put now. We don dey couple am now. Na the coupling na dey go on. So we don dey couple am. We don dey tie the hose for the carburetor. For the hybrid carburetor, we don tie the hose put. See am, the owner dey test am, dey test our work whether e dey leak. Where we for join the hoses. That is why e dey put that water. You wan check am whether gas dey come out for inside. See am, you see the cylinder for that side. So na that one cylinder na im dey serve these two generator. And the regulator wey we buy for this cylinder, this regulator, if you dey check am whether gas wan finish or not. Look am now, na only that one cylinder now. See am, na wetin dey serve these two generators. So you see am, so make una no forget, make una patronize us. Make una